Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your SSH key to GitHub. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, you're going to head over to github.com, and then from here, you're just going to click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From here, you're just going to click on settings. Now from the settings page, you will be able to find SSH and GPG keys right here at the left side panel or menu. And then from here, you will see this SSH keys section. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on new SSH key right here. You're going to add a title, and then you're going to paste in the key. Now, how do you find, or where do you find this SSH key? By going into the command prompt from your desktop. So as you can see here, I have already generated a SSH key. In order for you to do that, you can just type in ssh-keygen right here. We're going to copy this link right here, and then we're going to paste it in our file explorer in order for us to find the SSH key. So it's going to copy it. I'm going to paste it in here, and I'm going to hit on enter, and then you'll be able to see your SSH key right here. Now, an important note is that you have to choose the SSH that is the public file. Otherwise, you will not be able to add it. As you can see here, one important note as well is that it starts with SSH. So you're going to copy that. Make sure that the start of it is SSH. The private one doesn't start with the same thing. So just to make sure that you have the correct one, you're just going to do that. Now you're just going to paste it in here. We're going to add a title. Let's say it's my desktop, and then click on add SSH key to confirm. And that's it. That is how you can add SSH keys on your GitHub account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.